search for Node.js, install it, and NPM will be automatically installed with it. After installing, you can check node version with node-v. So NPM version can be checked with npm-v. Create an empty folder, name it like NPM, open VS Code, open this newly created folder, open terminal, write npm init. This command is used to initialize npm in your project. It will ask for a bunch of information, just press enter for everything, and a package.json file will be created. Package.json file contains metadata, description, and dependencies of the project. We will start by installing our first package with npm install and the package name here. I'm going to install Express. When a new package is installed, it is added in dependencies. Package log.json file is created and node modules folder is also created. npm follows semantic versioning. This is a major release version, this is the minor release version, and this is a patch release version. When we run npm my, latest version of package is installed. Specific version of a package can be installed by writing its name with its version number. This will install the latest release of React with major version 16. You can know about the outdated packages with npm outdated command. It will list out the outdated packages. It will show the current version and the latest version of the package. After finding out the outdated package, latest version of package can be installed by writing package name @latest. It has installed the latest version of React. You can copy this package file in any new project, and with npm I, all the dependencies are installed in this new project. Package log file is automatically created when you install new packages in your project. It actually logs the versions of different libraries so that same libraries are installed anywhere reliably, or even if a new version of any package is installed. User can write their own commands and can run them with the npm. Take the example of React project. There are commands to start a development server, build your project for production, or test it. The script commands are executed with npm run. Suppose we want to run build command, then we will write build here. It has created the build folder. Start and test are predefined scripts in npm. So that means, for example, you do not have to run npm start. You can simply write npm start and it will run the development server. Same concept applies to test. You can write npm test to run the tests. You can also do some other configurations in the package file. There is an option for slint or the browser list you want to add. We have installed Express library, which is used to create backend servers. We have created a new file to use this library. First, we will import this package in our file. As this is a Node.js package, we have to use the require command to import this package. Then we will write the remaining code. We will write npm start to run our server. So that's how a project can be actually used in the backend. Now take example of front-end project made in React. React package is already installed. To import React, we will use import React from React. Import command is introduced in JavaScript's ECMA6 version. After importing React, we will write the remaining code. We can also use inner functions of a package by writing them in a curly braces. After importing, we can use these functions in our code. There is a provision to publish your own package in npm. First, you have to sign up and create an npm account. Then in a new folder, add the code you want to publish and the package file. Give the package some name. You have to log in using your npm account credentials using npm add user command. After logging in, you can finally publish your package using npm publish. Access public flag is to make your package publicly available. I have already published this package. You can check your own published package in your npm account. So you can actually check this, and it has like 65 weekly views.